Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install mod on Farming Simulator. So let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. So step number 1, open the game. Launch the Farming Simulator 25 on your PC. Number 2, access to your mod hub. From the main menu, navigate to the mod hub option. Number 3, search for mods. Use the search bar to find the mods you want to install. You can also browse popular mods. Number 4, download mods. Select the mods you want to and click to the download button. The game will automatically download and install the mods. Number 5, enable mods. Once the mods are downloaded, go to the mod hub again and enable the mods you want to use. And the last one is launch the game. Start a new game or load an existing save file, and the mods should be activated. That's the way how we can install mod on Farming Simulator. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.